And in this clip, we're going to talk about how to sublimate a plaque. Sublimation is the process by which we can transfer a dye right directly onto the metal. And what we have here is we have the copy that's ready, and if you'll see it, it is a mirror image. And we're going to attach that. We're going to cover it with this piece of metal and get it positioned properly. And we fold over the edges so that it doesn't move. And then we're going to take this and we're going to put it in this heat press, which is heated to 410 degrees. That's pretty hot. It's hotter than most of you will use in your oven. And we cover that with a cover sheet of paper, and then we're going to press it for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Okay, and now we're going to remove it from the heat press carefully. Lift it up because it's very hot. And very carefully remove the paper and put it on this heat sink over here. As you can see, we now have a right reading image. We're going to let this cool off a little bit. But as you can see,